The roller chain drives lurking in warehouses and factories across the country are outdated. They require regular lubrication and retensioning, and even then, they corrode over time. Now, there's a better way. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Designed for high torques and high performance, even with heavy loads, the Delta Chain Carbon Synchronous Timing Belt from Optibelt has the power capacity to replace your roller chain drive. Hard polyurethane and carbon fibre cords provide high impact strength and excellent shock loading capabilities. Polyurethane has a high resistance to oil, chemicals, high temperatures and ozone, making the Delta Chain Carbon ideal for caustic washdown in the food industry. The carbon fibre cords provide 100% higher power transmission compared to high-performance rubber timing belts, while newly developed patented tooth webbing offers reduced wear and noise. There's no lubrication, no retensioning required, and best of all, no corrosion. Future-proof your production line now by speaking to Optibelt on 03 8791 2700 or visit them online, optibelt.com. And thanks for watching.